If you're thinking about buying the Nothing Phone 3, you've probably noticed it's one of the most unique smartphones released in 2026, with its signature transparent design, powerful cameras, and AI features. It's definitely different from most flagship phones, but is it actually worth buying? In this video, I'll review the Nothing Phone 3, covering its design display, performance, cameras, battery life, and whether it's worth your money. In 2026, let's get started. First, let's talk about the design, the Nothing Phone 3 continues the company's signature transparent look but introduces an updated Glyph matrix lighting system on the back. This customizable display can show notifications, timers, battery information, and other useful functions, making it one of the most distinctive smartphones on the market. The phone also features an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, along with premium materials, giving it the feel of a true flagship device. Now, let's talk about the display, the Nothing Phone 3 features a 6.67-inch flexible AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR 10+ support, and peak brightness of up to 4,500 nits. The screen is sharp bright and performs very well, both indoors and outdoors, making it excellent for gaming, watching videos, and everyday use. Performance is another strong point. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor combined with fast LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Everything feels smooth from multitasking to gaming to AI-powered features, with plenty of performance for demanding users. Now, let's move on to the cameras. The Nothing Phone 3 includes 4 50-megapixel cameras, including a main camera, an ultra-wide camera, a periscope telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, and a high-resolution front camera. Photo quality is excellent with vibrant colors, good dynamic range, and impressive detail in both daylight and low-light conditions. Video recording also supports 4K at 60 frames per second, making it a strong option for content creators. Battery life is another improvement. The larger battery easily lasts through a full day for most users, and fast-wired charging can bring the battery from nearly empty to around 50% in less than 20 minutes. The phone also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for compatible accessories. Now, let's be honest, the Nothing Phone 3 isn't perfect. Some reviewers mention that battery endurance could be stronger during very heavy gaming sessions, and its price places it directly against flagship competitors from Samsung, Google, and Apple. But if you value unique design, clean software, excellent cameras, and flagship-level performance, the Nothing Phone 3 offers a very compelling package. So to summarize, the Nothing Phone 3 delivers premium performance, a beautiful AMOLED display, excellent cameras, fast charging, and one of the most distinctive smartphone designs available today. If you want something that stands out from the crowd, it's definitely one of the most interesting flagship phones you can buy in 2026, because honestly, very few smartphones manage to feel this different, while still delivering flagship performance.